Impact weather first thing this morning is a round of rain and a couple of heavier downpours are a possibility along with the fog that we have out there first thing this morning. Some quick changing conditions going into the afternoon. After that period of rain, some milder air and a few sunny breaks. Still in the 40s with some sunshine to round out the calendar year tomorrow. And the next system moving in as quickly as ringing in the new year later tomorrow night. Rainfall for southern New Hampshire, combination of rain and wet snow up north. For this morning, a steadier rainfall, a couple of heavier downpours. There could be a few wind gusts over 30 miles an hour, but nothing to the level that we are expecting any sort of outages from it. There will be a slower morning commute if you are headed out first thing. Here's a look at the winds today. And again, some gusts over 30 miles an hour are a possibility through the day. Winds eventually turn to a more westerly direction. That will allow temperatures tonight to drop back into the 30s, but we'll still be in the 40s tomorrow with a lack of a flow coming out of Canada, at least until the next system makes its way here. You can see the highest rain chances in your 7-day forecast will be on Wednesday. As a matter of fact, it'll be rain for the southern half of the state, while up in the North Country, they could see several inches of snow out of this system. There's the front making its way through just after sunrise. Most shower chances are over by noon, maybe 1 o'clock. Some clearing behind that for the afternoon, allowing for some milder air. As a matter of fact, temperatures today could be about 20 degrees above the average for this time of year. So a much better evening commute. We will be looking for a breeze out of the west and fair skies later tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures will be in the 40s after starting in the 30s early. You'll notice clouds thickening up later in the day and probably the first raindrops from that system just as we start to ring in the new year later Wednesday night. A lot of this will be in the form of rain for southern areas of the state, but then you get farther north, what is initial rainfall likely switching over to wet snow. We're talking White Mountains and the Great North Woods, possibly the Mount Washington Valley involved in this snowfall as well. That'll wrap up during the daylight hours on Wednesday, setting up what should be a cold wind out of the northwest. Temperatures scaling back heading into the weekend. Matter of fact, a chilly weekend on the way with highs only in the 20s. There's a look at your snowfall possibilities. Again, all of this expected to be through the White Mountains and up through the Great North Woods, while it'll be mostly rainfall elsewhere, maybe wrapping up as just a period of wet snow in the upper valley. Fog and rainfall this morning, the chance of a couple of gusts over 30 miles an hour, and then some sunny breaks and a milder afternoon. We drop back into the 30s tonight, only to head back into the 40s for the day on Tuesday. That will wrap up the calendar year with the next system trailing in tomorrow night. Rainfall for most with a mixture or snowfall up north, and windy with much colder air starting to build in starting Thursday.